Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build the email validation and ION using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So I will building that for you in this class. So I will build email validation using HTML and CSS. So I will building that for you. So here you can see it. Here I will write like. Here I will write like programming with Rayan at gmail.com. Enter press. So here you can see it. Easily I will building that for you. So now let's start the topic. So first of all I will see what in my file. So it is my file. So here you can see it. Here is my file. Here is images also. So here you can see it. So now I will go to the here. Here I will open with. Here I will open with choose another app. I will open with like Sublime text editor. Okay. So if you have any text editor, you can open it. So I have Sublime. So I will save it. And now there I am already done. So I will go to the here. Full image style.css. Open with choose another app. And I will use a JavaScript also. So okay. So be careful. Okay. So here is it. Save here. Now, so it is a small video, not bigger video. Okay. So I will open it. So it is open it. So I will go to the here and Sublime text editor, refresh. So now here I will first of all here I will go and here I will write the like div HTML and now HTML like and right here I will write div class will be container one class will be container enter press and now till here my work is done div and another class and this class should be my here I will write this class will be logo and logo should be my empty /5 text and now here I will write text center and now till here my work is done enter press image share it. So now here I will write dot hashtag images and now here I will write hashtag logo dot hvg and now till here my work is done and now here I will write alt and the alt should be my any no. So here I will enter press h1 class should be text center and empty/4 and now here I will write span and now here I will write style and here I will write style should be my like color should be my HEL and HEL should be my like here I will write so HEL my 0% comma and here you can write 59% and now till here my work is done. So here we can write like on span note on span here I write we are launching and now share till here my work is done. So save here then refresh. So here you can see it we are launching is also come and now here till here my work is done. So I'll enter press to the here and now here I will write p class should be text center and p class should be text center and here I will write subscribe it and get notification notified and now till here my work is done. Form here I will write form will be class will be my row should be g minus 2 and here I will write form should be my name and name should be my form and now here I will write ECS my form and here I will write on submit and on submit here I will write return and here I will write return and now here I will write my LGB FYB and now here till here my work is done till here my work is done. So here I will write Calic, and now till here my work is done. So here I will write like nobody, and now here I'll go to the here enterprise. Here I will write dev class will be my call slash md slash 3, and here I will tell him my work is done. Enterprise input should be type should be text, and now till here my work is done. So now here I will go to the CSS, and here I will write padding should be 0, margin should be also 0, and now font family should be my poppins comma sans serif, and now till here my work is done. So here I will not write sans serif, erase it. Now here I will write comma sans serif, and now here we can write html comma body, enter press height should be 100%, width should be also 100%, and then now here we can write dot form display should be fresh, justify content should be center, align items should be center, enterprise font family should be poppins and comma and serif, and now here we can write poppins, and now here we can go to the here, and now here we can enterprise. So now sorry, enterprise dot email should be my border radius should be my 20 pixels, enterprise dot btn should be font, enterprise display should be inline. Now inline should be in border radius should be my 20 pixels, and enterprise padding should be 5 pixels, width should be 160%, and now here I will write like so. Now here I will go to the I will save here, then refresh. So here you can see it easy as is come, and here you can write programming material. It is small video but very helpful how to build the easiest. So here you can see it, I will build that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In this class I will learn that for you. I will study you how to build that. So now here you can see it easy as I will build it. So here you can write any text. So here you can see it, programming with Rayan@gmail.com. Enterprise. So here you can see it, I will build that for you. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.